Listen, imagine not having to leave your home and yet you can still live out the life of your dreams. Yes, travel wherever you please without having to ask for permission or worrying if you're going to break the bank to do so. See, in today's world, because of the internet, the possibilities are limitless. And I'm sure there's been a moment in your life that you've thought about bringing more money to the household without having to go and get another job. Because the truth of the matter is that 2 jobs are for 2 people and not 1 person. Another fact is that you don't need permission from anyone to bring more food or more money to the table. In reality, you just do it. Don't wait until that moment where you're backed up against the wall and you don't have any sources of income. This is the reason that you're receiving this message at this very moment. So let's be honest for a quick second. What if you could get paid daily? Yeah, daily. I'm talking about instant gratification with daily payouts. We're talking about being able to capitalize from the largest financial market in the world, known as Forex. See, Forex generates over $7 trillion a day, which means that there's plenty of people making a killing from it. But why not you? If they can do it, so can you. Forex simply stands for the foreign exchange market. This is where you can earn from trading currencies and exchanging them to other currencies and gaining profits from the exchange rates. And I'm sure that by now you've been hearing about Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies as well, which are digital forms of money, and trust me that you want to be part of it. This is the reason that we created G.O.B.E Tradehouse. We're a financial fraternity and sorority that practices group economics by utilizing Forex and crypto education, and we earn from the trade signals sent out by our sniper analyzers as a unit. Now your question is it difficult? No. It's like riding a bike. Once you pick up the skill, you'll never unlearn the skill. In G.O.B.E, we have a set of tools and technology services that will allow you to become a professional trader and allow you to learn the power of having an investment mentality. First, we have our online academy where you will learn basic to advanced strategies with over 40 hours of educational courses that will sharpen your skills and make you a beast. Trust me, you will go beast mode before you know it. This is a skill that people pay hundreds of thousands of dollars to learn, but with us, you'll pay a fraction of that cost. Now, if you're a person that says, I don't have a lot of time, well, we have our G.O.B.E Auto Buy that will trade 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, because it's artificial intelligence and it solves the mathematical equations without you being present. Now, we also include our sniper analyzer, which is an indicator that will tell you when to buy and when to sell on the charts. You're practically printing money all day long. However, if you're the type that needs hands-on training, we have daily study group sessions, and we also include 13 live trade sessions a week where you will mirror the trades that our sniper analyzers tell you to take. Now, if you're liking and enjoying the information that you're hearing, get back to the person that shared this information with you. Now, I'm not done though. This is where it gets crazy. Right now we have hundreds of people that are taking advantage of our suites of services, okay? But soon it's gonna be thousands. And since we live in a social media stage of life, you're probably gonna share this with friends or family members based off of your results or the results from other G.O.B.E members. That's why we decided to push our advertising budget to our frat brothers and our sorority sisters. Rather than on billboards and radio or TV ads, we pay you. So to make it simple, we will pay you daily from the customers that you bring in the G.O.B.E Tradehouse. Since we are a customer acquisition company, we want you to consider it your own franchise with a subscription-based business model attached to it. So, let's go ahead and break it down. We will start you off at 40% with 5% overrides on your first 9 customers. And then you'll get paid again 28 days later from the active customers that you brought in. So, 1 equals 40, 2 equals 80. 3 equals 120, 4 equals 160, 5 equals 200, 6 240, and you get the math on the 7th, 8th, and 9th. On the 10th customer, you get 50% per customer and 10% overrides from there on out. Let me repeat that you will get paid daily from each referral, and again 28 days later. But for the sake of this information, we will break it down like this. You share it with 10, you just made $500 up front. And then 528 days later, then you share it with 20, you just made $1,000 up front, and then 1,028 days later. Then you share with 80, that's $4,000 a month, $4,028 days later. Then 250 customers, you're now making $15,000 a month, because after you crossed the 100 sales, you gave yourself another raise. Alright, you are now making 60% commission split with G.O.B.E, where you're initially making $60 a customer. So let's keep going. At 500 customers, you're now making $30,000 a month. And you can go to infinity and beyond, because we have a limitless compensation plan. Just remember that you're getting paid daily, and we have a game plan where you can go to 6 figures in 90 days or less. Now, I'm sure you have more questions, so get back to the person that shared this information with you, and be the person in your household that breaks the generational curses. This is the best educated choice that you'll ever make. Alright, we will see you on the other side, at the top, because the bottom is definitely too crowded. God bless you. Bye.